Hey guys, Joe DeMarco from the Crazy New York Driver Show. Today is Monday, February 1st, 2021. We are having an epic nor'easter here. The snow continues to fall, and I'm guessing we have at least 13 inches on the ground. Yeah, that's my car. That's what 13 inches of snow looks like, and they're promising us another foot of snow. This started last night at about 8 o'clock p.m. on Sunday. It is now approximately 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Monday. This is going to continue tonight and tomorrow. Looks like I won't be doing any eBay shipping for a few days, but I'm going to, against my better judgment, try and walk out to the street and show you how deep this is. I don't know if you can see that right there, but here we go. Oh my God. It is windy. It is snowing. 22 degrees. Let me just show you. Sorry about the shaky phone, but that's all I got. There's somebody out shoveling, my neighbor. All right. The snow is pelting me in the face right now. Okay. You can see the plows have been through numerous times. Believe me, I think the plows came down here around 25 times, but you wouldn't believe it looking at the condition of the street. There's my caddy. For those of you guys who don't believe it, we don't get any sunny days here. Not a one. And the forecast is, guess what? For the end of the week, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, another storm. Ugh. Guys, I'm Crazy New York Driver and you're not. Thank you for watching this video. Comment below. And if you got snow too, and if you're getting snow, tell me how much you've got, how much you're getting. Unless you live out west, you don't have to deal with this. I might make another video in the near future. Here's the only guy on the road, a plow, but he's a private contractor. I'll see you later.